You are thinking to quit smoking, right? Well, I was thinking that too. And I managed to quit smoking within the span of 1 month. Before I start to share my experience with you guys, let's understand what nicotine is and how it impacts your brain and body. Nicotine is the chemical present in tobacco leaves. When you smoke or chew tobacco, nicotine enters the blood and goes to the brain. It activates the part of your brain which produces a feeling of pleasure and happiness. After some time, as the nicotine level drops, the feel-good effect reduces and your body starts craving for the next cigarette or tobacco. That's how you get addicted to smoking cigarettes or chewing tobacco. Do you remember your first cigarette? Well, I do. I had my first cigarette in 2008. I was quite intimidated with people who smoked. I started my first cigarette thinking I will never get addicted to it. But before I could realize, I was already addicted to it. When I thought of quitting smoking, I was smoking around 10 cigarettes a day. Somewhere I was not feeling good about my health as I was getting tired a lot and started coughing a lot. One day I woke up and I promised myself that I will quit smoking today, and I started doing it. Initially for 10 to 15 days the task was pretty hard as the craving for smoking was pretty high. But I remained focused and ignored the cravings by using nicotine gums. They really helped me to tone down the cravings. It took me almost a month to get over the cravings completely. But after a month I can proudly say that I have quit smoking completely and successfully. That was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to Modified Journeys.